Sometimes it happens you need a respect area to do something on the field. Let's think about a bomb, a special operation on a plant, or an hazardous event which occurred in your city. How can you do this? Let's see it together. Now I have started QGIS and I have a critical event here. This red star here, it's a critical event. So we have two rules to obey. We need to evacuate people in a radius of 500 meters. So the first thing to do is we can do a buffer around the danger with the distance of 500 meters, and let's click run. This is our evacuation zone. Let's call it evacuation zone. And after that we need also to have a alert zone, which is 2500 meters of radius around the danger. So let's do another buffer. Okay, let's make segments a bit bigger. Okay, perfect. This is our alert zone. Let's tweak a bit the styles in order to introduce a new concept. Let's think of this, let's style this, giving a nice red color and click apply. But we want the opacity to be 80%. Okay, perfect. And now our zone may be yellow. Okay, just for example. I made the evacuation zone red and the buffered zone, which is the alert zone, still called buffer. We will see why in a moment. And the evacuation zone is a bright red, but I wanna it to be a bit transparent, so I click on the color and I turn down the opacity. Let's click OK. Oh, it's not red anymore, it's orange, because it merged the two colors from the buffered and the evacuation zone. Let's do the same with this. Perfect. It is not okay for me, not perfect. This should be a torus indeed. The evacuation zone should not be overlapping the alert zone. How can we fix this? And doing this will also fix colors. We can do it using the geoprocessing tool called difference. Let's click it. Okay, as the input layer, let's keep buffered, and as the overlay layer, let's put evacuation zone. Click run and click close. Now a new layer called difference has been added to the layers panel. Let's take off the evacuation zone and the buffer, and as you can see, you have a nice donut on the screen, which is actually the alert zone, so we can rename to alert zone, and we can apply a style. Let's do it lazily. So right click on buffered, click styles, copy styles, all styles, and again on alert zone, right click, styles, paste styles, all styles. Perfect. I may remove the buffered, and as you can see now colors are okay, and the evacuation zone is not overlapped anymore to the alert zone. This is really useful because think that you have to query all the buildings here to know who lives there. You don't need to know who has to be alerted and evacuated. You need to know who needs to be evacuated and who needs to be alerted. Right now I have explained to you how to use both buffer and difference, both buffer and difference tools to create a respect zone. I hope this is interesting for you. So thank you for listening, and remember to subscribe to never miss any update, and see you again.